Now let's create some details on this dog. Let's create let's draw some spots on it. And to draw spots on this dog, I'll be using the brush tool, and I will remove the size dynamics and this brush texture size, because all that I want is to draw a filled shape inside this dog skin. What is happening now is that we have this spot, and this spot has no animation because we just created. Even that this spot is inside the head, and the head has animation. So what I do is select this spot and press F8 to clear this static animation. Now I will tell Arttista that this spot will do the same movement that these two bones here, that these two bones joints. So I select this spot, click on this point here. So this spot will follow this point, and the rotation will be the same rotation that this second point around the first point. You can do this pressing F5 or going into this menu called follow last segment. That will tell Arttista that the selected object will follow some point and a rotation about this point. So Ctrl F5, and now you can see here Now if you go here on timeline, you will see that the spot is following that line, the spot is following the point and the rotation around this point, the same movement, right? So let's add a little bit more of details. Instead of following bones, we'll tell Arttista to this spot follow these points here and here, the same way we did before following the bones. With this spot selected, click here on this point, and I will press Ctrl F5, that is follow last segment. Let's see how is it now. Nice. Let's add another spot on his ear. Let's add another spot. Let's select this spot and tell to follow these 2 points here. Perfect. Okay, and for last we will create these dog tails. Let's clear all these keyframes because we don't need them anymore. We go to the start and let's draw this. Around here I will raise up his tail, sorry, like this. Here I'll do the opposite. Let's see how is it now. Control left and Control right, we can walk between the keyframes. Let's add 2 lines here, 2 curves. Two curves pointing to up to the top. Let's decrease a little bit here, and one curve here to show a little bit of speed. With these two selected, I will tell Arttista that they also have animation to back. F6, I go to the first frame and I will decrease, almost disappearing here, and I will animate them, these two here, from here to here. Let's see. And also, sorry, animate the tail. Also, we have animated the tail. Now I will do the opposite. The tail is already going down, but these two goes on to here. These two curves here that are the arts to show speed. On this frame, I will remove it from the scene, pressing F7 to remove it from the scene from now. I will remove from here too. Ctrl F8 to remove it to the end. And here I'll do the opposite. I'll select them all here too until here. Okay, I will pick all this range with all these selected objects, Alt, drag to here, Ctrl, drag to here, hold everybody, drag to here, hold everybody, and drag to here. So we got this. Let's see.